Hey there Instagram lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a song for your Instagram notes. It's super easy and adds a fun touch to your messages. Let's get started. First things first, once you have opened up your Instagram app and head over to your messages. Once you are in your messages, tap the note icon on your profile picture right above your messages. Alright, now for the fun part. Tap the little music icon and let the rhythm take over. This is where you get to unleash your inner DJ. Now it's time to find the perfect song. You can browse by genre, song or artist. If you have something specific in mind, just type it in the search bar. As for me, I'm going to write Memory Reboot Arabic. And once you find the song you like, tap it on to preview. Make sure it's the right vibe you want. Happy with your choice? Great! Tap the checkmark icon in the corner to confirm your selection. Now write your note. Once you are done, tap share and voila, you are done. The music will play whenever someone views your note, like this. Yep. And there, you have it. Adding a song to your Instagram notes is as easy as that. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.